Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to compare decimals. Before we get into today's topic, let's review some math symbols. 5, left opening symbol 2, means 5 is greater than 2, which is the same meaning as 5 is bigger than 2. 1, right opening symbol 4, means 1 is less than 4, which is the same meaning as 1 is smaller than 4. 3, double minus sign 3, means 3 is equal to 3. 7, equal sign with a bar 6, means 7 is not equal to 6. Let's compare two decimals, 2.463 and 2.465. First of all, check the decimal points for each decimals. Then, compare the whole number parts, which are the numbers on the left side of the decimal point. Both decimals have the same digit 2 in the ones position. They are the same so far. Now let's check the tenths position. Both decimals have the same digit 4 in the tenths position. They are the same. Now let's move to the hundredths. Both decimals have the same digit 6 in the hundredths position. This means they are still the same. Now let's check the thousands. 2.463 has a digit 3 in the thousands, and 2.465 has a digit 5 in the thousands. Since 3 is less than 5, 2.463 is less than 2.465. Now let's compare another two decimals, 3.141 and 3.14. Again, check the decimal points for both decimals first. Compare the whole number parts, which are the numbers on the left side of the decimal points. Both decimals have the same digit 3 in the ones position. They are the same so far. So let's check the tenths position. Both decimals have the same digit 1 in the tenths position. They are still the same. Now let's move to the hundredths position. Both decimals have the same digit 4 in the hundredths position. This means they are still the same. Now let's check the thousands. 3.141 has a digit 1 in the thousands, but 3.14 has nothing in the thousands. Do you remember equivalent decimals? If there is no digit, you can add 0 to it. So 3.14 can be changed to 3.140. So 3.14 has a digit 0 in the thousands. Since 1 is greater than 0, 3.141 is greater than 3.14. Let's see the last question. Relist decimals from least to greatest. Here are the 4 decimals we are comparing. Check the decimal points for each decimals first. Let's place all decimals having the decimal points aligned. Let's compare the whole number parts, which is, again, the number placed on the left side of the decimal point. All except 6.9 have the digit 7 in the ones position, but 6.9 has the digit 6. Because 6 is less than 7, 6.9 is the least decimal. Now we can erase 6.9 from the list. And let's check the tenths. Since all decimals have the same digit 0 in the tenths position, they are the same. So let's move on to the hundredths position. 7.021 has the digit 2 in the hundredths position, but the others have the digit 1. This means that 7.021 is the greatest decimal. We now are comparing 7.012 and 7.01. So let's check the hundredths position. 7.012 has the digit 2 in the thousands, but 7.01 has nothing in the thousands. We can change it to the equivalent decimal by adding 0. So we have 7.010. Since 2 is greater than 0, 7.012 is greater than 7.01. So 7.012 is the second greatest decimal, and 7.01 is the third greatest decimal. So the decimals from least to greatest are 6.9, 7.01, 7.012, and 7.021. Let's summarize today's lesson. When you compare decimals, check the decimal points first. Compare the whole number parts, and if the whole number parts are the same, then compare the tenths position. If the digits in the tenths position are the same, then compare the hundredths position. Continue this process until you get different digits so you can compare. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.